I am Shoma Bandyopadhyay, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department of MCKV Institute of Engineering. Today, I will discuss about the half adder and full adder circuit. We all know that digital computers perform a variety of information processing tasks. Among the basic functions encountered are the various arithmetic operations. The most basic arithmetic operations is addition of two binary digits. The simple addition consists of four possible elementary operations. There 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 equal to 1 0. The first three operations produce a sum whose length is one digit. But when both augend and addend bits are equal to 1, the binary sum consists of two digits. The higher significant bit of this result is called a carry. A combinational circuit that performs the addition of two bits is called a half adder. One that performs the addition of three bits, a full adder. Today I will discuss first the half adder circuit. The half adder circuit needs two binary inputs and two binary outputs. So we will first discuss the half adder circuit. This needs two binary inputs and two binary outputs. The input variables designate the augend and addend bits and the output variables produce the sum and carry. We can assign the symbol x and y for two inputs and sum and carry for two outputs. So if we write the truth table will be like this. So the carry output is 0 unless both inputs are 1. The S output represents the least significant bit of the sum. So the simplified Boolean expression for the two outputs can be obtained directly from the truth table. And the simplified sum of the products expression are S equal to x complement y plus x y complement. Similarly for carry C equal to x y. So if we want to represent this complemental circuit with the help of the logic diagram, we can use that sum can be represented with the help of exclusive of and carry can be implemented with the help of AND gate. So if x and y are the two input, x and y are the two inputs, so half adder can be implemented with an exclusive OR gate and an AND gate. So exclusive OR for sum and for carry. So this is the half adder circuit. Now we will discuss the full adder circuit. A full adder is a combinational circuit that forms the arithmetic sum of three input bits. It consists of three inputs and two outputs. Two of the input variables are denoted by x and y and that represent the two significant bits to be added, and the third input Z represents the carry from the previous lower significant positions. The two outputs are necessary because the arithmetic sum of three binary digits ranges in the value from 0 to 3, and binary 2 or binary 3, they require 2 digit to represent. So binary 2 or binary 3 needs 2 digits. So the outputs are designated by the symbol sum, that is S, and C for carry. So C for carry and S for sum. So if we write the truth table, we can write the truth table. So the truth table will be like this. I am writing. The 8 rows under the input variables designate all possible combination of ones and zeros that these variables may have. The ones and zeros for the output variables are determined from the arithmetic sum of the input bits. When all input bits are zeros, the output is 0. The S output is equal to 1 when only one input is equal to 1, or when all three inputs are equal to 1. The C output has a carry of 1 if 2 or 3 inputs are equal to 1. So the input-output logical relationship of the full adder circuit may be expressed in two Boolean functions, one for each output variable. And each output Boolean functions requires a unique map for its simplification. So each map must have the each squares. Okay. So if we represent the map for sum, it will be like this. So these four will be the one. So we can write sum or S equal to x complement y complement z plus x complement y z complement plus x y complement z complement plus x y z. Similarly, if we draw the map for carry, it will be like this. So the ones in the squares for the map of S and C are determined directly from the truth table. So the square with ones for A's output do not combine in adjacent square to give a simplified expression in sum of products. The C output can be simplified to a 6 literal expression. So when we can simplify it actually like this is a combination, this is a pair, this is a pair, and this is another pair. So when we write the C expression for C, it will be xy plus xz plus yz. Okay. So for sum, if I want to simplify the our Boolean expression, we can write this x complement y complement z plus x complement y z complement plus x y complement z complement plus x y z. So we can write here z x complement y complement plus xy plus z complement xy complement plus x complement y. That is, we can write this as z xor x xor y, and for carry we can write, if we simplify this expression for C, carry the expression is xy plus yz plus xz. So we can write here xy plus yz x plus x complement plus xz y plus y complement, that is xy plus xyz plus x complement yz plus xyz plus a complement z is can xyz plus z x complement y plus xy complement. So xy 1 plus z xy complement, that can be written as y plus z xy complement y. So now if we want to implement the help if we want to implement this full adder circuit, we can write the we can draw the logic like this. So from the first XOR gate, we can get the expression xy complement plus x complement y. So if we take the carry from this point, that is actually xy. So now if we consider for this third XOR gate, for the second XOR gate, if we consider the third input Z, for second XOR gate, if we consider the third input Z, it is nothing but XY complement plus X complement Y XOR Z, and this circuit, this is the AND gate representation. This is carry. So what will be this is actually Z. This is actually Z. So here from here we are getting XY complement plus XY Z, and from here we are getting XY. So finally for the expression we will get XY plus XY complement X complement Y and with Z. Sum will be Z XOR X XOR Y, and carry will be XY complement plus X complement Y plus XY. Okay. Thank you.